Here we shall be looking at model checkpoint in TensorFlow as well as early stopping. In model checkpoint, this helps you to be able to save your model weight as you're training. In case anything happens to your training, it gets interrupted, power is cut off, or whatever happened, you can be sure that you will not lose the number of computation hours or days or weeks that you already spent on training the model. You can always start from that particular the latest timestamp. So let's see how this is done. So first is you want to create the file path where your checkpoint will be stored. I named mine this, and you need a directory. You need this directory because you be using it to restore from the latest. So you need this latest checkpoint to restore from the directory. Okay, so now you restore from the checkpoint if one exists. If none exists, this is going to return none. Then it will jump here to create your model checkpoint. That is initially when you're starting your training. You can specify your file path. You want to save only the weight, not the entire model. And because you want to save the best of the weights, you need to specify what to monitor to as a criteria for saving the best, which is the loss. And of course, you want the loss to be as low as possible. Then you're going to pass in your callbacks. You're going to pass your model checking callbacks here. So that is the CP callback. If your training was interrupted and you need to start all over again, by the time you run this code, then this will have some files in the checkpoint directory, and you can see there will be values here. So because this has values, then it will be restoring model from checkpoint, and you can just load the weight and it will just start training from that. The other one is a callback, which is just for early stopping. So the early stopping, you can create that with this early stopping, what you want to monitor. And this patience is the key thing. This says that after 2 epochs, if this loss does not improve, terminate the program. So it's going to terminate the program if the loss does not improve. That's what that is saying. So I hope this will help someone out there. Thank you for listening, and see you in the next one.